Starlight Dreams. In the heart of Hollywood, where dreams shimmered like distant stars in the night sky, lived a young actress named Sophia Summers. Her journey from a small-town dreamer to a celebrated star was a testament to resilience, passion, and the transformative power of chasing one's dreams amidst the glittering tapestry of Tinseltown. Sophia's childhood unfolded in the quaint embrace of a small town nestled amidst rolling hills and wide-open skies. From a young age, she exuded a magnetic charm and a natural talent for storytelling that captivated everyone around her. Her parents, hardworking and supportive, nurtured her dreams while instilling in her a sense of practicality and determination. They encouraged her to pursue acting with zeal, but also emphasized the importance of education and a strong work ethic. With stars in her eyes and a fierce determination in her heart, Sophia set her sights on Hollywood, the city where dreams were not just imagined, but lived. The journey to Los Angeles was a leap of faith, marked by long bus rides, cramped apartments, and the unrelenting pursuit of auditions. Her early days were a montage of hopeful auditions and dashed hopes, where rejection became a familiar companion. But Sophia refused to be discouraged. She enrolled in acting classes, studied the craft tirelessly, and worked odd jobs to make ends meet. Each setback only fueled her determination to prove herself in a city where countless others chased the same elusive dream. Her breakthrough came unexpectedly one rainy afternoon. Sophia had auditioned for a supporting role in a low-budget indie film, hoping for a chance to showcase her talent. The director, a visionary with an eye for raw authenticity, saw something special in Sophia's audition. He cast her in the lead role instead, recognizing her ability to infuse depth and vulnerability into the character. The film premiered at a prestigious festival, where Sophia's performance garnered rave reviews from critics and audiences alike. Overnight, she became a rising star in Hollywood's constellation, with offers pouring in from top-tier studios eager to collaborate with the talented newcomer. Sophia navigated the glitzy world of red carpets and paparazzi flashes with poise, her humility and grounded nature endearing her to fans and colleagues alike. As her career soared, Sophia remained connected to her roots. She returned to her hometown often, finding solace in the familiarity of quiet streets and the warmth of family gatherings. Despite the allure of Hollywood's bright lights, she cherished moments spent with old friends who had cheered her on from the beginning. Sophia's filmography grew, showcasing her versatility as an actress. She embraced roles that ranged from intense dramas to light-hearted comedies, each character a canvas on which she painted with empathy and authenticity. Audiences were captivated by her ability to breathe life into complex roles, finding pieces of themselves mirrored in the characters she portrayed on screen. Yet, fame brought its own set of challenges. Sophia navigated the relentless scrutiny of the media, the pressure to maintain a flawless image, and the occasional intrusion into her private life. Through it all, she remained steadfast in her commitment to authenticity and transparency, using her platform to advocate for causes close to her heart. One evening, as Sophia stood on stage accepting an award for Best Actress, she reflected on the journey that had led her to this pinnacle of success. The theater was filled with the industry's brightest stars, their applause a symphony of validation for her years of hard work and dedication. In her heartfelt acceptance speech, Sophia expressed gratitude to her parents for their unwavering support, to her mentors for believing in her talent, and to her fans for their unwavering loyalty. She dedicated the award to aspiring artists around the world, urging them to pursue their dreams with courage and conviction. As the applause echoed through the auditorium and the lights dimmed, Sophia descended from the stage with a sense of fulfillment and humility. She knew that her journey was far from over, that there were still countless stories to tell, characters to embody, and challenges to overcome. Backstage, amidst the congratulatory embraces and flashes of cameras, Sophia paused to savor the moment. She thought of the young dreamers who looked up to her as an inspiration, of the responsibility that came with wielding influence in a world hungry for stories that resonated with truth and authenticity. In the days that followed, Sophia continued to navigate the whirlwind of Hollywood with grace and determination. She balanced her professional commitments with moments of introspection and creativity, finding inspiration in unexpected places and embracing the ever-evolving landscape of the entertainment industry. Outside of her acting career, Sophia found fulfillment in philanthropic endeavors, supporting causes that championed gender equality, mental health awareness, and environmental sustainability. She lent her voice to campaigns that resonated with her values, using her platform to spark conversations and effect positive change. As the years passed, Sophia's star continued to rise, her name synonymous with integrity, talent, and a genuine love for her craft. She took on roles that challenged and inspired her, collaborating with visionary directors and fellow artists who shared her commitment to storytelling that transcended boundaries. One afternoon, amidst the hustle and bustle of a film set, Sophia paused to reflect on the journey that had brought her to this moment. She thought of the auditions she had conquered, the characters she had brought to life, and the impact of her work on audiences around the world. Through it all, Sophia Summers remained true to herself and her passion for storytelling. Her journey from a small-town dreamer with stars in her eyes to a celebrated actress whose name graced marquees and awards was a testament to the power of resilience, determination, and the unwavering belief in the magic of dreams. And as Sophia looked ahead to the horizon of possibilities that stretched before her, she knew that her starlight dreams would continue to guide her, illuminating a path of creativity, purpose, and boundless potential in the dazzling world of Hollywood. The end.